How to sell crypto on Binance. In this video, I will show you how to sell crypto on Binance. So once you're on the home page, you want to go to the profile menu in the top right, then you want to go to assets, and then you want to click on spot in the menu on the left. On this next screen, your cryptocurrencies with balances should be listed at the top of this page. The simplest option is to convert, but this isn't the cheapest option. While there are no fees for converting, Binance will include a spread in the price, which can vary based on market conditions. The better alternative is to press trade next to the crypto that you hold and you want to sell. So I'm going to pick Ethereum. On the next screen in the top right, you want to pick the crypto you plan to sell. So I'm going to search for Ethereum, and now you can see all the currency pairs that you can exchange Ethereum for. It's worth mentioning that some cryptos have more currency pairs than others. For example, I can convert Ethereum to South African Rand, but a cryptocurrency such as Gala, which is a smaller one, I can't. And I would need to transfer it via a more popular crypto such as USDT before transferring it to South African Rand. If you're in the UK or want to sell your crypto to GBP, then unfortunately, at the time of recording, Binance does not have the option to sell your crypto to GBP, so you will have to sell to another fiat currency. So anyway, I'm going to sell my Ethereum for USDT, which is a stablecoin and is basically one-to-one to the US dollar. And once set, you will see your currency pair in the top left here. You now have two options, a market order and a limit order. A market order sells the crypto straight away at the current market price, or alternatively, you can create a limit order where you pick a price you are happy to sell your crypto at, but it will only sell if it reaches your desired price. On Binance, the fees for selling are generally 0.1% for both market and limit orders, unless you're trading over $1 million in 30 days, but it's always worth checking this as it could change at any point after this video. To create a market order, you want to press market in this menu at the bottom here. As we are selling Ethereum for USDT, you want to key in the amount of ETH you plan to sell on the right hand side, or you can drag the slider here. I'm going to sell all of my ETH. Below this you can see the estimated fee, and once you're happy with this you can press sell ETH, and this will sell your cryptocurrency instantly. I'm not going to do this in this demo because I want to show you a limit order. So to process a limit order on Binance, you would click limit here. And for example, you may have seen recently that Ethereum was selling at $4,000 a coin, and you know you will get more back in return if Ethereum goes back to this price. While this does sound more appealing, it's worth mentioning there is no guarantee that your crypto will go back to your desired price, and prices could keep going down. Anyway, to create a limit order, you would key in your limit price in this top box here. So I'm going to key in 4,000. Below this, you will choose how much of your crypto you want to sell at this price, or alternatively use the slider. So I'm just going to sell all of my ETH, and then below this, see how much I will get back in USDT and any estimated fees around this. Once you are happy with this, you can press sell ETH. And now my order will be visible in the open orders tab at the bottom, where it will stay until it is filled. If it doesn't fill because my limit price hasn't been reached, you can rekey it. So anyway, that is how to sell crypto on Binance. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.